Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at exporting your print jobs reports, should I say, as a XLSX file. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back to the program here. I'm just going to quickly head back into the printing here, say OK, and then let's go to our actual export button, and then from the drop down menu I'm going to select the XLS or XLSX. Like with the XLS, you'll see we've got two different ones. We've got XLSX and XLSX with data only. So I'm going to choose the bottom one here, and then just put in the format here, XLSX. Sorry, these file formats get confusing after a while. And then we can just save that. But now the main thing to keep in mind about the XLSX is it was originally like kind of a zipped version of the XLS, but it's also a more modern how can you say, file format for the Microsoft Excel sheet. So with the previous one, XLS was an older one. This is kind of the new default. Well, I think it's about 2007, but we'll have a look once we've exported. So I'm just going to say over here, let's save it. Say okay, then we go back to our file. So okay, this one doesn't save, but first remember, I think it was introduced in 2007 or around there. And like I said, it is currently default. So if you know your client has got a later computer or more standard computer, then you can always use this file format. It's going to open here the XLS. You can obviously send if the client you know is using something old. So as you can see, pretty much everything looks the same. And it's just, the formatting and everything is more modern. But yeah, so otherwise that is it on the XLSX. It is also a popular format. Like I said, it's great if you want to edit your job or your report before you send it. And otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.